Hey guys, so I got another new delivery and from a totally different brand. So this is just the unboxing of what I've received so far from Scitec Nutrition. Right, so let's just open it up and it's just right in here. So first one that we see is Scitec Nutrition 100% whey protein. 100% of protein from whey. Okay, and where was that? Right, okay, I think that's just samples. Okay, next we have Revex 16. So you can see that Stimulating Weight and Body Fat Management Complex. So I'll put that there. We've got Hot Blood 2.0 complex pre-workout stimulant. This is a big tub as well. What's the size of this? 1 second, guys. Or whatever it is, it's got 41 servings. Is it the front? Oh, here we go. 820 grams. Massive, absolutely huge pre-workout. Next, we have a few shaker bottles. We've got one, got two see-through perfects, and we got three, like a muscle army, like military edition, I guess. That's just basically paperwork. Okay, and they're all done. Okay, so this is the obviously BCA complex, so put that there. Put that over here. Okay. Right. Okay. Next, we have 100% whey protein professional. 100% of whey protein from whey. This is the strawberry white chocolate flavor. That sounds delicious. What's this? Is the vanilla flavor, but there's samples. I'm going to open that and see what's going on. And what's this? Another protein. 100% whey protein. This is the vanilla very berry flavor. But again, as you can see, there's samples in there, so I'm gonna have to open that. Okay, so we've got one protein. Well, three. Let me just open this up for a second. Let me put shut this box there. Okay. Right, let's see what this is. So, should be protein. Get that camera, okay, focus. Okay, right. Okay, can smell something interesting in there. So we've got that. What's this? Complex pre-workout concentrate, cherry crank. Warrior juice, whey and micellar casein, chocolate. So basically, this is just what chocolate flavor. So this is just basically samples of other products. White chocolate, okay, vanilla, okay, milk. What's this? Crea bomb. 6 types of creatine, 10 active ingredients, extra taurine, magnesium. Bloody hell. Obviously, no introduction. That explains it all. Okay. So this is just basically a tub full of loads of different proteins and so on. Supplements. So let's chuck that in there. I've never ever received samples like this before. Nice of Scitec to put it in the tub. Tub looks wicked as well. Nice sort of chrome finish going on. Put that there, and then let's get. Okay, same sort of thing. What's the first one? 100% wet isolate. You can see that. This is chocolate flavor. Lovely. Vanilla berry, power 2.0, Arousing Apple. That's an interesting name. Oh, do you know what? I can't smell vanilla. I smell something really sweet though. I mean, it does say vanilla, but it's something totally sweet. I don't know what was in here. I don't know, it could be the vanilla, but it doesn't smell like vanilla. 100% milk complex. We've got Belgian chocolate, lovely. Strawberry white chocolate. Well, we've got the tub right there. What else? More whey protein. Oh, what's that? Scitec Nutrition Fireworks. Okay. No, what's that? Wad Crusher. Alright. What is this? From what I can see, it's just basically a BCA. I might have to check on this later. Loads and loads of samples. So this is, I hear, what is that? That looks amazing. Tasty Gourmet. That's better. Tasty Gourmet protein shake with chocolate pieces inside. Oh, this sounds lovely. Oh, I can feel chocolate. There it is, right there, chunks. Lovely. I've never had that before. More powered 2.0. Like the way they got the 3 for the E, just like Jack 3D. And various more flavors of protein. So loads and loads of protein. So put all of this back. Okay. Oh, one dropped on the floor. It's the milk. Okay. Stuff there. Okay. So this is my current stack of Scitec products. Oh, let me just get the, what's it called? Revex 16. Okay, so products for me to be unboxing and reviewing. So I mentioned this on my Twitter account earlier. If you don't follow me on Instagram or Twitter, please make sure you do. All the link description below. Both account names are Underall Supplements. And a friend of mine called Dan Close, or Daniel Close, he recommended, well, asked me to do Hot Blood 2.0 because it looks interesting, he said. So it looks like I'll be unboxing that first. And that's it really, guys. You know, I'll make a few more videos as soon as possible. So if there's anything else you'd like to see me unbox, maybe might be the protein or the BCA, or try the Revex. Actually, you know what? The Revex 16 I'm going to try when I come back from holiday, from my honeymoon, early July, the 3rd or the 4th. I always forget when it is I'm actually coming back. So that's it really, guys. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Many more videos to come from all the major brands around the world, including Scitec. Anyway, thanks guys.